about the candlesticks and how it works. So in order to show you how it works, I am going to show you using Bitcoin, since the market is closed right now and I can't really pull up any live data from there. So Bitcoin is 24/7, so we'll go ahead and cover up with Bitcoin, and I'll show you the data from there. So here we have Bitcoin, and I am in tradingview.com. This is a free platform to manage and view the stocks analytics. So you can go to trade now, and we can see you can ignore the buy and sell. This is a software that I'm working on right now. So here we can see the curve that's going down, we can see the curve that is going up. So in order to understand what the candlesticks do, let's look at it live. So if we look here, let me zoom in here, and look how the market is doing right now. This candlestick, every single one of them has a time frame. So if we select 1 minute time here, each candlestick will form a 1 minute chart. So this will be 1 minute, this will be 1 minute. Take a look over here. You can see that the January 26, 2021, this candlestick is for 137. This one is for 138. This is for 130. This is when people sold. This is when people bought. And we can see that the candlesticks have this little line. You may ask, what is that little line? And that little line is, in a simple short term, I can say, is that's the high. This is the right here in the middle. Right over here is the close. This over here is the open. Now what does that mean? So open means when that 1 minute timer ended, this is where the price started from. So at this one, the stock was at $32,513. When the time closed on that minute, Bitcoin was at $32,631. So what is this small line over here? So that small line represents the wicks. So what does the wicks do? So it means that the stock is currently pulling all the way up there, and then it dropped. So if we look over here, watch how that candlesticks form. So you can see that the candlestick went up and then it's slowly coming down here. So look how it's moving there. And then if you look on the red sticks, the red sticks basically do here, and this point is the highest price. That means when people started selling, this was the highest price, and then slowly it started going all the way here, and then it went back. So it had a pullback over here. So you can see the price over here. When it was all the way here, price was $32,259. When it went over here, we were at $32,287. So the red and the green goes like that. So you can see here the candlestick is forming. I'll let you watch this live so you can see what I mean when I say the wicks going up and wicks going down. And I'm also going to put in an image of the basic of the candlesticks, so you can take a look at that as well to understand how the candlesticks work and how we can predict prices. So here I'm working on a software right now that tells me when to buy and when to sell Bitcoin. So the strategy here is to let the software do the decisions and see if we can let our humans emotions go away from there. So we're going to be using the buy here and sell when it's red. So you can see that I got an alert here when it was to buy, time to buy, and then it is still going up. So this is still a buy until we see a red, and then it will start coming down, and then we'll get a sell signal there saying, okay, it's time to sell right now. So this is a advanced software that I'm working on right now, and it actually tells you when to buy, when to sell, or like sell and what point at what price. and this is how the candlesticks work. So if you need more information about how the candlesticks work, I'll make a separate video explaining how the candlesticks work in a more in-depth video, and we'll go ahead and take a look at the RSI as well in there. So as of right now, the candlesticks, all you need to remember is the red is sell, green is buy, and how the wicks or the skinny lines form is when the price goes all the way up to this end, all the way to this end, and then it slowly traces itself back down. That's how the wicks are created. And same goes for the red. It starts from here all the way in the bottom, and then it goes up, so it does a pullback over here. So which shows like basically the price hits all the way here at 32,839, and then slowly it traces itself back to $32,757 or $58 around there. So that means that in this 1 minute the highest was $32,838, and then it closed at $32,759. This is how you read the data for the candlesticks. And I'm gonna put up some images on this video so you can check what I mean by that. That has great explanations on it. You can check those out, and if you need any other assistant with the candlesticks, you can always DM me on Discord, and I'll be happy to assist you from there. And this video was just about how you can learn about the candlesticks, and this applies to all the stocks. This could be any stocks, doesn't have to be Bitcoin. Every stock has this chart, and even in the Robinhood it has the same thing. All right, so see you guys next.